Today, in the over-the-wire Bandit level 22, we will analyze a script to uncover the password. The first step is to access the documents directly. Let's edit the bandit.md5. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit22 password. Then let's exit, clear the screen. Now let's access the remote machine. Let's use SSH bandit22 at bandit.abs.over-the-wire.org-p 2220 and let's enter. Paste the password and enter again. Now that we are inside, let's access the /etc/cron.d directory. Now let's use ls, and here we can find the cron job bandit23. Let's copy it and let's try to print it. So let's use cat and then cron job bandit23. Let's enter. Here we can see that bandit23 user is running the user bin cron job bandit23.sh. So let's copy the path and let's use cat command with the path to the file. And here we have a script that we have to analyze. So let's try to read the code. This is the shebang and it's present to indicate to the interpreter that it's a bash script. Then we have my name and the user that is executing the command is bandit23. So here will be bandit23. My target will be equal to the result of the subshell that runs echo I am user my name pipes inside the MD5 sum and then pipes inside the cat-d space -f1 and then says copying the password file the etc bandit pass bandit23 to the temporary file. So we need to uncover the my target value to access the temporary file. Indeed, it's copying the bandit23 password inside this temporary file. To find the name of the temporary file, let's copy this command. Then just paste it. Go to the my name variable, just replace it with bandit23. Now let's enter. And this should be the temporary file name. Just copy it. Now let's try to print the temporary file cat/tmb/ and the file name. Let's enter and here's our password. Just copy it. Now let's exit, clear the screen and let's edit the bandits.md5. Let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit23, and paste the password. Then save and quit. If the video was interesting, consider a like, maybe a comment or a follow. See ya!